10 color schemes for small kitchen cabinets in 2025. Discover the hottest small kitchen cabinet color schemes of 2025. In this video, we will show you the latest trends and must-have hues that will elevate your kitchen style and functionality. From bold and bright to soft and soothing, we'll cover it all. Whether you're planning a kitchen renovation or just want to give your space a fresh new look, you won't want to miss these trendy color schemes. Get ready to be inspired and find the perfect palette for your dream kitchen. 1. Wood and white and green. This timeless trio colors offers a perfect balance of warmth, freshness, and simplicity for small kitchen cabinets. Natural wood tones create a cozy foundation, white keeps things light and airy, and green adds a subtle pop of color. Whether you go for sage, olive, or forest green, the result is a refreshing yet grounded look that brings the outdoors in, perfect for small kitchens that need an organic touch. Black and white and metallic. Bold and modern, this color scheme is perfect for homeowners who love dramatic contrast small kitchen cabinets. The black and white base offers a minimalist aesthetic, while metallic finishes like gold or brushed nickel add just the right amount of glamour. This combination is excellent for small kitchens because the reflective quality of metallics can bounce light and make the space feel more open, despite the use of darker hues. 3. Navy blue and brown. Rich and inviting, navy and brown create a surprisingly warm combination for small kitchen cabinets. Navy adds depth without being too harsh, while brown, especially in natural wood cabinetry or countertops, grounds the space beautifully. This combo works especially well with brass or bronze hardware, offering a classic, slightly nautical feel that feels fresh in 2025. 4. Turquoise and yellow. For a cheerful, energetic kitchen, turquoise and yellow are an unexpected but charming pair. This playful color scheme injects vibrancy into small kitchen spaces, making them feel more fun and lived in. Turquoise cabinets paired with sunny yellow accents, like tiles, handles, or decor, bring a retro-inspired look that still feels modern and bright. 5. Off-white and wood. Simplicity is key in this neutral, earthy palette. Off-white kitchen cabinets keep things clean and bright without the starkness of pure white, while wood accents, whether in shelves, countertops, or lower cabinets, add depth and texture. This is an ideal choice for small kitchens aiming for a Scandinavian or farmhouse vibe with an easy, natural flow. 6. Aqua blue and wood. Soft, coastal, and effortlessly stylish, aqua blue and wood create a calming, small kitchen space that doesn't sacrifice personality. Aqua blue gives a hint of color without overwhelming, and when paired with warm wood, the combination feels relaxed and inviting. This scheme works beautifully with open shelving and light-toned flooring, helping the space feel more expansive. 7. Yellow and white. This classic sunny combination remains a go-to in 2025, especially for compact kitchens. Yellow energizes the space, while white reflects light and opens things up. Together, they create an optimistic, cheerful atmosphere. From soft, buttery tones to bolder lemons, yellow can be tailored to suit your taste, while white ensures it stays balanced and not too loud. 8. Mint green and white. Mint green has a vintage appeal with a fresh twist, and when paired with white, it creates a light and breezy feel in small kitchen. This combination is perfect for cottage-style kitchens or those looking to bring in a little retro charm. It's an especially smart choice for small kitchens because it gives the illusion of cleanliness and space without being bland. 9. Gray and green. Subtle yet stylish, gray and green work together to create a sophisticated palette for small kitchen. A soft, neutral gray provides the perfect backdrop, while green accents, like sage or moss, add a touch of earthiness. This modern blend works well with matte finishes and minimalist hardware, helping small kitchens feel serene and clutter-free. 10. Steel gray and copper. Steel gray adds a strong, contemporary base to the kitchen, while copper injects warmth and visual interest. This industrial-inspired pairing is striking yet functional, ideal for small spaces with modern finishes. Copper handles, fixtures, or lighting fixtures stand out beautifully against the cool steel tones, making the whole kitchen feel curated and on-trend. Each of these color schemes offers a unique way to reimagine your kitchen, even if space is limited. By choosing the right combination, you can maximize both style and functionality, bringing new life to one of the most important rooms in your home. In 2025, it's all about thoughtful contrasts, earthy inspirations, and designs that reflect personality while staying practical. Whether you lean toward bold or serene, there's a perfect palette waiting for your small kitchen.